This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make cannoli cream with ricotta. First, you need to prepare your ricotta cheese. It's crucial to drain 2 pounds of whole milk ricotta thoroughly to remove all excess moisture. This step prevents a watery filling. You can use a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth, letting it drain in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This ensures your cream will be perfectly thick and rich. Now that your ricotta is perfectly drained, it's time to create the delicious cream base. In a large bowl, combine the firm ricotta with 1 cup of powdered sugar. This sweetens the cream and helps achieve a smooth consistency. Next, add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that essential, aromatic flavor. Finally, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon to give it a subtle, warm spice. Mix until just combined. To achieve that signature silky smooth cannoli cream, transfer your mixture to a food processor. Pulse until it's completely smooth and free of any lumps. Be careful not to overprocess, as we want a rich, creamy texture, not a whipped one. Once blended, cover the cream and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the cream to firm up, making it easier to pipe into shells. Before serving, you can add some delightful mix-ins to your cannoli cream. Gently fold in 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips or finely diced candied fruit for extra texture and flavor. Then, using a piping bag, fill your crispy cannoli shells just before serving to prevent them from getting soggy. For more great tips and deals, including a link to some amazing socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade cannoli.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.